Changing the email link to your Outlook account can help you manage your communications more effectively. Follow these simple steps to update your email address. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Outlook website and log in using your current email address and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to your info. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Your Info section. Click on it to view your personal information, including your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the option to edit your email address. Enter the new email address you want to link to your Outlook account. Follow any prompts to verify the new email, such as entering a verification code sent to that address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email address, make sure to save your changes. You may need to log out and look back in to see the new email address reflected in your account. By following these steps, you can easily change the email link to your Outlook account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Outlook support for further assistance.